A Stanford study published in 2023 found that 12.7% of asthma cases in the United States are linked to gas stove use. That's 1 in 8 kids with asthma because of the stove in the kitchen. If you've got a gas stove, this video might be the most important one in the series. I'm Terra, and this is Terra Common. This is episode 4 of our series on toxins hiding in your home. Today, what your gas stove is actually releasing into your kitchen air and how to fix it without buying a new range. When you burn natural gas, you don't just get heat. You get a mix of combustion byproducts: nitrogen dioxide, carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, and small amounts of benzene. Nitrogen dioxide is the big one. Research from the Rocky Mountain Institute and Stanford has shown that running a gas stove for just a few minutes can push indoor nitrogen dioxide levels above the EPA's outdoor air quality standard. And that EPA standard is for outside. There is no federal standard for indoor air. Then there's benzene. In 2022, Stanford researchers found that gas stoves leak benzene even when they're turned off. Benzene is a known human carcinogen. Who's at most risk? About 38% of U.S. households cook with gas, and kids are the most vulnerable. Their lungs are still developing, they breathe more air per pound of body weight, and they spend more time at home. If you've got a child with asthma or you're pregnant, this matters more for your house than for most. The fixes, cheapest to most expensive. Here's the thing, you don't need to buy a new stove to fix this. Fix number 1 is free. Crack a window when you cook. Even better, crack 2. Cross ventilation moves air out of the kitchen much faster. Fix number 2, also free. Use your back burners and run your range hood on high. Most range hoods ventilate the back burners better than the front. Fix number 3, check that your range hood actually vents outside. A surprising number of hoods, especially over the microwave units, just recirculate the air through a filter. That does nothing for combustion gases. If yours doesn't vent outside, upgrading the hood is the single most effective fix. Fix number 4, a portable induction burner, around $60 to $150. Use it for everyday cooking and save the gas stove for the rare big meal. It cuts your exposure by most of what you'd get from a full range replacement at a fraction of the cost. I've linked a vented range hood in the description for under $200, as well as a portable induction burner for around $80. If you want to actually see what's happening in your kitchen air, an indoor air quality monitor will show you nitrogen dioxide, carbon monoxide, and particulate levels in real time. Once you see the spike when you turn the burner on and how long it lingers, you won't go back. You'll also find links to air quality monitors listed below, as well as a free companion PDF on kitchen air quality with a checklist that walks you through every fix in this video, ranked by cost listed below. Next up, that new furniture smell. It's not just unpleasant, it's unhealthy. The World Health Organization classifies one of the main chemicals causing it as a Group 1 carcinogen, same category as asbestos. As always, if you like, please subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.